In SwiftUI, there are 3 stacks, which give you control for arranging the views in your app: the HStack, the VStack, and the ZStack. The HStack is a horizontal stack that displays all contents within it horizontally. The VStack is a vertical stack that displays all its contents within it vertically. Finally, the ZStack displays its contents stacked or layered on top of each other. All of the stacks have an alignment parameter. The HStack uses the vertical alignment, which allows you to position its elements using the .top, .center, or .bottom. The VStack uses the horizontal alignment, which allows you to position its elements using the .leading, .center, or .trailing. Finally, the ZStack allows you to position its elements in the horizontal and vertical alignment. When applying modifiers to stacks, they will be applied to all elements within the stack. As an alternative to ZStack, you can add depth to both the HStack and VStack by adding the .background and .overlay modifiers. For example, if you want to add modifiers to a VStack, we can add the .frame modifier and apply a width and a height. Then we can add the .background modifier and set it to teal. This modifier places the view behind all of the views in the stack. Next, we can apply an overlay and add a system image to it, which places the view on the top trailing corner of the stack. We can apply a .foreground color modifier and set it to white. And finally, we can add the corner radius of 10 to the entire stack. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.